Forming a comprehensive nutrient management plan will greatly improve the economic performance of nutrients supplied on your farm, as well as reducing the negative impacts of nutrients supplied to the environment. Use recent soil analysis or soil sample your farm to determine the current soil fertility status of your soils. Soil samples should be taken 3 to 6 months after the last application of P's or K's. Soil analysis allows the monitoring of on-farm nutrient management practices. It identifies the rate at which changes are occurring, and crucially for 2022, it will enable us to identify and budget for what nutrients will be required for maintaining current soil fertility status and to support on-farm stocking rates. The first place to start with your nutrient management plan is to identify the lime status or pH of your soils. Lime has a 4-to-1 return on investment, and soils maintained at the optimal soil pH of between 6.3 and 6.5 can release up to 80 kilograms of nitrogen per hectare per year more on grassland mineral soils. Lime also releases phosphorus locked up in the soil from previous fertilizer applications, and it will greatly improve the efficiency of all freshly applied fertilizers. Lime should be applied as soon as possible in the grazing season to get the quickest benefit from lime application. Slurry optimization is another key component of effective nutrient management planning. Soil indexes 1 and 2 have low supplies of phosphorus and/or potassium, and they should be targeted with slurries along with silage ground to replace offtakes. A key recommendation for 2022 will be to conduct a fodder budget once all livestock has been turned out this spring to assess how much ground will need to be fertilised for first cut silage to replenish fodder reserves for next winter. Phosphorus and potassium are key for good yields and grass productivity, so a good supply in the soil is essential. Index 3 is the agronomic and environmental optimum. Savings can be made on Index 4 soils as there is little response to applied fertilisers as they have high or excessive levels of phosphorus and potassium already. To summarise, for 2022, soil sample your farm, form a nutrient management plan and stick to the plan to increase your nitrogen use efficiency, increase your productivity and to reduce environmental losses.